How to search on Instagram without Meta AI. So if you want to search on Instagram without the Meta AI, or if you want to remove the Meta AI from the search bar, then you can do that on your application. What you need to do is you just need to go for your Chrome browser. So tap on your Chrome or open up the application and go for instagram.com and open it up in your browser. So you just need to log into your Instagram. So enter your phone number, username or email address and your password and log into your account. So once you've logged into your Instagram on your Chrome browser, now you just need to go for the search, which is here on the bottom left. Tap on the search and here you will get the search bar. So tap on the search bar and search for the person that you would like to search for. So for example, I'll be choosing a person. Once you've chosen, now tap on the person's profile and then you can view that person's profile. So you can view the person's profile, hashtags, location or many more from this search. So that's how you can search on Instagram without the Meta AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.